Hello guys and welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video I'll be unboxing this new hair. I know there's no box and I'm disappointed as well, but yeah, I'll be unboxing this new hair that I got from Limoda Hair on Aliexpress. So before I continue with this video, I just feel like it's important for me to give you guys all the details with respect to the logistics, how long it took and all that. So before I ordered my hair, I decided to DM the vendor. I was a bit skeptical, even though like I do have a wig from them, which is really good and it's really old. So this was the 31st of July, and after talking to them, I went ahead and ordered my hair. And as you can see, it was shipped the following day at 4 a.m., which is literally 12 hours later. And 2 days later, my order was already on its way, and the vendor used to talk to me each and every day and just to update me on anything that might have changed. So these are some of the chats that I had with the vendor. She was really helpful, even though I was skeptical. Yo guys, I was so scared, and this is because I had never spent so much money on a wig on this specific vendor. So my hair was delivered on the 12th of August. That is exactly like 12 days between the day I ordered it and when it got delivered. I was so happy with their service and all that. Besides the fact that my hair was not in a box, but when I bought hair from them a few years ago, it came in a box. Like, it was really cool, and I expected that because I just feel like boxes are good, most especially when you just want to store your wig, because I live in res, so I don't have a beauty room or whatever where I can just put my hair on the mannequin, you know. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So I would really appreciate if they gave me the box. But yeah, this is what it came in this pink thingy, and the hair is pretty good. I won't lie, you guys, the hair is pretty good, but it sheds not really that bad, but yeah, I just thought you should know. But like, it does shed. This is the actual hair, cute as well. And then we have this. She gave me this. I don't know what this is for, but this to me just looks like a makeup brush. And she's got a wig cap as well, really cutie. And yeah, there's nothing else in here. God, Father God. Which one is this one? This is the hair. This is what it looks like, and that is what it looks like. Oh wow, so these are baby hairs. That's great, that's cute, but I would prefer doing my own baby hairs anyway. Oh guys, look at the texture. It's the texture for me, guys. No, I sound funny, but I'm just like that. God, Baba God, I hope this is not synthetic. I don't know why I'm thinking of synthetic, but synthetics looks extremely good while it's still new, and this to me looks perfect. This hair looks perfect. You know, synthetic, guys, have you ever used a synthetic wig? If you haven't, I am, guys. So guys, this is the hair. I don't know how to show you, but this is how long the hair is. I don't know if it's visible enough for you guys to see. Let me just use this. Tape thingy, measuring tape. And this is in what? Because I bought a 30-inch wig, so I don't know, 30-inch. I don't know if these are inches or what. No, this can't be inches. Yo, I would scream my lungs out. Cha. 24, 25, 30. I think these are inches, guys. Yeah, I think these are inches. So from here. Let me put it here so that you guys can see. From here to here. Let us see. Here to there. So it starts from here. Oh, guys, it is. It is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Look. 32-inch Mufanak. We are within. We are extremely within. Yeah. Guys, look at the lace. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the lace. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is transparent, honey. I mean, no, HD. Why Papa? So this is HD, guys. This is HD. I can't wait to HD it on my skin. Yabon, do you see how well it blends? Hey, what lace? We don't have glue yet, but what lace? What lace, cha? What lace, honey? Honey, once it blends, honey, kitty boobs. Ooh. Yeah, ne? Guys, you can see nje quality. I don't have to say anything. Nyazbonel, you see it, you see it, you see it. Yazbonela, ni yazbonela. This hair is bomb, guys. I won't lie to you, I really love it. And I forgot to tell you guys how much it was. It was $178, and I've had this wig for almost 2 weeks now, if not more than 2 weeks, and I've spent like 4 days while I had it like installed, and I just feel like because the lace is thin, it makes the glue stay in like longer. I don't know how to explain that, but yeah. And I am definitely buying from them again because their hair is good and it's affordable. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. On my next upload, I'll be installing this hair. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in and for watching until this far. I will see you on the next video. Bye. Love you.